In Conversation, Mother Mary and Rami. Mother Mary, let's focus on gratitude today, shall we? Rami, when we look at Christ today in 2021, it is such a large and widespread entity than when you were on the earth. The supports are in place and the new earth is being built. How do you feel about what is transpiring, Mother Mary? Mother Mary, Jesus, Saint Germain and I have all worked tirelessly on birthing Christ in the modern age, and it really happened. Christ is spreading its wings across the globe. I have tears of joy and my heart is full of gratitude for all the Christ pioneers who were not only willing to listen, but to practice and apply. I am grateful to you, Rami, for taking control of this next phase, which is expansion. Our skyscraper is getting taller and our offices are more plentiful. Rami, I am grateful to be the new project manager for the expansion phases. The foundation was already built, and it is good and solid. Mother Mary, the Christ Self-Care 101 is so important, Rami. Thank you for emphasizing it this week. To all our wonderful Christ aspects who are reading, bless you each. We couldn't be prouder of who you have become. To quote Rami, Christ is in the house. Love and blessings always. Mother Mary and Rami.